Hello everybody and welcome to my tutorial where I teach you guys how to origami a samurai hat. I was taken out to Teppanyaki for my birthday dinner and this was something that they gave me at the end of the night and I thought it was so cute and I figured I would unfold it and show you guys how it's made. So the first step is to get your hands on a 24-inch by 24-inch size square sheet of paper. It looks like the way that they started the pre-creasing was they folded it in half, both square ways and triangle ways. Second step is once it's all creased, you want to go ahead and, I actually didn't show this part, but you're actually supposed to fold the top down where this line is at so that you'll be able to have a good line of direction for the other two sides to be folded into. You can see right here that the tips of both edges of the paper meet at the bottom. And once it's flipped over, you want to go ahead and take these two flaps and just fold it down. These are going to be the little wings on the head of the samurai hat. From there, you fold one of the bottom points to the top, and then you fold it a little bit ways down like that. And then you fold the excess into the hat. And then you flip it over and you repeat the same steps that you did up front. So fold it in half like this, fold it a little bit right here, and then tuck the excess into the hat. And then there's one more step, and this is just to make sure everything stays secured. You want to open up the hat just a little bit, and then you're gonna fold up the edges just to make sure that nothing comes unraveled once you place the hat on the recipient's head. And ta-da! There you have it. It is a birthday themed samurai hat. Alright, I hope that video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again real soon. Thanks.